How to fix slow buffering issue on Crunchyroll. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can fix the slow buffering issue on Crunchyroll, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to fix the slow buffering issue on Crunchyroll, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, it could be the issue with the internet connection, so make sure that you're not using any VPN app or anything like that, and then just go ahead and make sure that you're connected to a reliable internet connection, because most of the times that could definitely be the issue. Second, if you're using the Crunchyroll app, you can just long press the Crunchyroll app icon, then go to app info here, then go to storage and cache, clear the cache files, and also make sure to clear the data. Last but not the least, you can try to simply check for an update for the Crunchyroll app, because sometimes the Crunchyroll app might have an update that you might not have installed, and that is why it could be facing those issues as well. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.